Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Steam unable to sync error. Let's fix it guys. Method on, you just need to open up Steam, select the Steam tab and select settings. On left side you just need to select a cloud. On right side you just need to make sure to enable Steam cloud, and after that on the left side you just need to select storage and select the three dot icon and select repair library. Select yes. After getting done, just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to open up Steam, select the Steam tab and select settings. On left side, you just need to select in-game. On right side, delete web browser data, select the delete option and select confirm. On the left side, select downloads, clear download cache, select clear cache and select confirm. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, then let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to open up Steam and select the Steam tab and select settings. On left side you just need to select downloads. On right side in download region, click on this drop down and select anywhere. Select restart now. Again go back to Steam tab and select settings. On left side select downloads. On right side in download region you just need to click on this drop down and select where you live. Select restart now. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4, you just need to go to library and you just need to right click on the game you having problem with and select properties and select this Steam cloud to turn it off. And now you just need to close stuff here, select the Steam tab and select exit. Now you just need to go to search menu and type Steam. Open up Steam. Select a library. You just need to right click on the game and select properties. You just need to turn on the Steam cloud guys. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 5 guys. Method 5, you just need to open up Steam and you just need to select the game you're having problem with and you just need to select the play option and select the cancel option. Select the play option and cancel option. Do it for 10 times. After doing it, now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.